Are you playing music but not hearing any sound from your Samsung phone's external speaker, even though it's not silent or vibrate? This is important because without sound, your phone can't deliver the full experience you expect. Don't worry. In this video, I'll guide you through easy steps to fix this issue. Solution 1. Turn off Mute All Sounds. Go to Settings, scroll down, find out Accessibility, tap on it, then tap on Hearing Enhancements. Scroll down a little bit, find out the Mute All Sounds option. Toggle it off. Solution 2. Turn on Hearing Aid Support. Go back to the Hearing Enhancements page. Scroll down a little bit, tap Hearing Aid Support. Now simply toggle it on. If still you have the same issue, then follow my next solution. Solution 3. Check your software update. Go to Settings again, scroll down, tap Software Update. Then tap Download and Install. If you have any updates available, then install it. I hope this helped you fix the issue. If you have more questions, feel free to ask in the comments. Thanks so much for watching.